astonishing artwork of those schools who all perform and merge in today. And now I request respected chief guests to give a speech. And right after this will be followed patriotic song, Salute Jordan B. and Nazareth Skate. And now may I request a respected chief guest to give a speech.
I request all the students to still stand within the speech of our honorable chief guest.